Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you do future trading on Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after that you will get to see this homepage into here. Just simply select trade option right here, and after selecting trade you will get to see this option of bots directly. Tap into bots, and after tapping into bots you will get to see this option of future grade and future martingale. Just simply select future grade option, and after that you can see future grade from this section, and you can use all of these futures from this page. Just simply tap to use, and then you can copy this margin or future trade. Just simply enter the amount, and after that tap to confirm button, and this way you can very easily use the future trading in Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.